Morocco cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade chocolate. I know it sounds very difficult, but I assure you that this homemade chocolate is very easy, and I'll be making it with only a few ingredients. The beauty of homemade chocolate is that you get to choose your own ingredients, and you get to choose your own flavor, your own ingredients, and you only put a few ingredients, and the outcome is just as beautiful and as professional as store-bought chocolate. So I'm very excited to share this easy and delicious homemade chocolate with you today. So please don't go anywhere. I'll be back and show you how to make this delicious homemade chocolate. Thank you for joining me. Beautiful chocolate. They look very professional, and I'm sure they will taste very good as well. So you can be the judge of this, and you can make it make big pieces, or you can make small pieces. Whatever you and your family prefer, you can You can make this however shape that you guys like. You can do this. And as you saw, it was very simple and very easy to follow this. So I'm going to try a piece, and I will let you guys know about the taste of this. Wow, it is very delicious. What I like about this is the coconut oil and the orange extract combination. Those are my favorite flavors, and the two of them combined into this chocolate make this a very yummy chocolate. And as I mentioned at the beginning, you get to choose your own ingredients. You can put your own flavor, whatever you like. You can play with it. So thank you so much for watching this video today. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video shortly. Love you all.